Ms. Baldwin.
Ms. Smith, no.
Robert
Mr.
F.
Lujan.
Kennedy, Jr. of California to be Secretary.
Ms. Baldwin. Mr. Banks. Mr. Barrasso.
Ms. Smith, no. Mr. Lujan.
No.
Mr. Lujan, no. Mr. Warnock.
No.
Mr. Warnock, no. Mr. Welch. No. Mr. Welch, no. Mr. Chairman.
Department of Health and Human Services, Robert F. Kennedy, Jr. of California to be Secretary.
We need to put America on the path to good health. President Trump has selected Robert F. Kennedy, Jr. to do just that, to make America healthy again. Mr. Kennedy will bring a fresh set of ideas and eyes to important debates surrounding our nation's public health. He's going to be a voice for the vast number of Americans who were failed by the previous administration. The previous administration silenced reasoned debate. I believe that Mr. Kennedy is going to deliver accountability and transparency. For Americans, that means more choices and better information. It means healthy foods and healthy competition for patients. It means lower costs and higher quality. It means increased access to care.
A vote for Robert Kennedy for this position is a vote for a sicker America. And there's irony in that judgment, considering Mr. Kennedy is the figurehead of a mass movement known as Make America Healthy Again. But on issue after issue, Mr. Kennedy refused to stand up for policies that will keep Americans healthy and out of the hospital. From vaccines to affordable health insurance to lower drug prices to women's reproductive health care, Mr. Kennedy, through several hearings, ducked and dodged and weaved instead of answering the basic questions that came from senators of both parties. When he did answer, he demonstrated a shocking lack of knowledge about the federal health programs he'll be charged with running and a willful desire to mislead senators about his views on science matters like vaccine safety.
Mr. Kennedy's decades of experience and deep drive to advocate on behalf of consumers will set a patient-centered tone at the department. As he has demonstrated in both public and private settings, Mr. Kennedy is committed to reorienting our healthcare approach and restoring faith in our institutions. His passion for addressing America's chronic disease epidemic will save lives, reduce costs, and establish a foundation for a healthier, stronger country.
Mr. Kennedy, in his words, but more importantly in his actions, has proven over and over again that he is a unique danger to society. But he's on the edge of becoming the country's top health leader with the power to unleash bygone diseases and undermine trust in science for generations to come. For the first time ever, we will have a health secretary who has actively helped to cause outbreaks instead of to contain them. We'll have someone in charge of medical research who's taken every opportunity to undermine science instead of promoting it.